welcome back to the vlog. Right now I'm at the Hounslow West tube station waiting for Elgin to come. We have a plan to go out today and spend some time together. It's been a very long time since we actually went out and roamed and stuff. I think the last we did was when we were in Switzerland. So let us go. I'm hoping he carries his jacket because it could get cold. And just as like I said, I hope he's carrying his jacket, but he's not. Where are we? Camden town. How do you like this place, babe?
Better than Hounslow, better than
I think it has its own unique place.
I don't know, but I like it here because you have a lot of clothes here which you can buy, and I love clothes and all the accessories right here. And also there is a lot of graffiti and a lot of drawings here. It's a nice place to hang out.
Yeah. I'm hungry.
Do you see that?
I wanna go here.
Yeah, let's go. But do you like the food?
Yes, I would like it. Let's go to try it out.
So, ladies and gentlemen, बुशो पहिले गेले आपण जेवण घेवपा कितें सांगिल्लें तूं म्हाकाय घाल हाड पूण तें म्हाका जेवण हाडना आपणाकू हाडना तें म्हाका चोयना पासून चोय चोय तेगे प्लेट
Food is moved.
सूप फूड प्रॉन्स आनी बुशो बेब म्हाका थोडें दितो तो बेब बेब म्हाका ते पापण खायले हांव वयता म्हाका जेवण घेवपाक. सापडलो? होय.
I have something for you.
That's for you, babe. Shut up.
I like this one. I'm already disturbed. Please come in. That is a nice one.
That's the
Oh,
Yeah.
she's the owner. Very lovely owner. I love the way she's made the whole artwork. Look at the fridge.
Yeah, it's our little storage inside. So you can get magnets from the fridge.
Okay.
And it's one of the best sellers actually. It
Wow.
says real man. Oh,
Washington.
you're the real one, yeah?
That is so
Another
good.
my favorite.
Yes.
Man's home, the castle.
Charles, the castle under the Queen arrives.
I keep losing weight.
Okay, but it keeps finding me.
So everyone is laughing here, dancing.
Oh
so
my goodness, this place
One of
has
my
a very positive vibe. Has a vibe. Oh my god. This Christina needs, I think. Christina,
Yeah, that's one.
I need this one.
Don't catch.
You see the truth behind the veil, and you know that they're just looking for attention. Oh, you don't let the ruthlessness prevail. Oh, it's time to light your fires for ascension. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn a thirst and desire. You transform light up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn a thirst and desire. You transform light up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes.
Guys, I think there's mass going on. We're going to enter the church. Let's see if they allow us. If not, I do not know. But I would love to enter the church and hear mass. Let's go. Bye.
You show you're a phoenix. Phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn a thirst and desire.
ट्रेनी म्हाका न्हिदपळी ते म्हजे न्हिदलोले सगळे भोंवन लास्टाक खंय पावले सेंट्रला भोंवन हंसलो लॅम्पटन पाका येयले पंथर चोवपाक आतां कितें भुरग्यांगे रायट बसली भार केली
Autism भार केली.
धाडपाचें न्हिद बॉस
thirst and desire. You transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn a thirst and desire. You transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes.
Last time in Lisbon, Hayden and myself, we had got 3 of them.
Happy?
Thank you.
Kushu, you want to go on that ride? No? Why?
Whatever. You go on that ride. I will take the recording.
Yeah, yeah.
So guys, after Lambton Park, we decided that we would not go out for dinner, but instead we'll do some takeaways and come back home and have dinner, watch a nice episode and chill. And that's exactly what we did because we were very tired, very exhausted, so exhausted that we didn't even want to. I was not even in the state of recording. I just came home, and first thing we did is we had dinner, and he headed off back home. He was exhausted too, and yeah, that was the end of the day of an amazing and a beautiful day. Good time spent with him after a very long time. I think 4 5 months that we got this. We went out together and we enjoyed a whole day together. It was fun. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like and share my videos, and comment down below. Do support my channel to grow, and if you all have any other suggestions regarding any reaction videos or couple challenges, you can also DM me on my Instagram and let me know what you'll want to see. Daily vlogs, I will try my best to do it daily vlogs, but in the week I'll try to put at least 2 vlogs out, at least one couple challenge or reaction video, because with work it gets a little difficult. Sometimes there are a lot of other things involved, so we'll try our level best. Anyway guys, thank you, bye bye.